discussion is about the question answers. First we'll discuss the index question. Page number 200. There are 3 questions. The first question is, what does an electric circuit means?
A closed and continuous path of an electric current is called electric circuit.
Very good. A closed and continuous path of electric current is called electric circuit. Define the unit of current. Means you have to define 1 ampere. So ampere is the unit of current, or 1 ampere can be defined as if 1 coulomb charge flows through a conductor in unit time, in 1 second time, then it is considered as 1 ampere. Okay. Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. You can use this general equation, that is the total charge Q. The total charge Q is given by N into E, N into E, N multiplied by E. This is the equation for total charge of a material. Q equal to N into E. But Q is the total charge. It can be 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb, 3 coulomb, depends on the question. N is the number of electron. N is the number of electron. E is what? Charge of 1 electron, 1.6 into 10 raised minus 19 coulomb. So in this question, question number 3, calculate the number of electron constituting 1 coulomb of charge. Here Q is 1 coulomb. Q is equal to 1 coulomb. And E, we know it is a constant, it is the charge of 1 electron, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Then in this equation, when we apply this equation, Q equal to N into E, what is Q value here? Q is 1 coulomb. And we don't know how many electrons are there. How many electrons are there, that we don't know. So I'll write Q is 1 coulomb. 1 coulomb is equal to N, we don't know, that we have to find out how many number of electrons are there. E is 1.6 into 10 raised minus 19. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Okay. Then what is N equal to? Number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb is equal to, what we have to write? 1 coulomb divided by 1 coulomb divided by, what will be denominator? This 1.6 into 10 raised minus 19 will go to denominator here. It means 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised minus 19 equal to N. Or we can write N equal to 1 coulomb divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. When you divide this one by 1.6, you will get how much? 0.625. And this 10 raised to minus 19 we can take to numerator. How? 10 raised to plus 19. Or we can write, if I move one more decimal, 0.625, if I write as 6.25, if I write 6.25, then into 10 to the power, what will come? 18. Because plus 19 means this decimal we should move 19 times towards right side. Here already we moved one step, so we are putting decimal here after 6. One step is moved, then remaining is 18. So 10 raised plus 18 means 1 coulomb of charge is constituted by how many electrons? 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. Means this decimal again we have to move 18 times this side. Means after 2, 5, then 16 more zeros. Means 625. After that 16 more zeros, if you add, that much huge number of electron will give only 1 coulomb charge. Got it? So from this we can see the charge on an electron is very, very small. 1.6 into 10 raised minus 19 is a very small quantity. In this equation, if you are getting some other question in exam, suppose 2 coulomb charge. Okay, how many electrons constituting 1 coulomb? Instead of this 1 coulomb, if it is 2 coulomb. In exam, if you are getting a question like this, calculate the number of electrons constituting 2 coulomb of charge. Then what you have to do? This Q, you take 2 coulomb, and in this here also instead of 1 coulomb will come 2 coulomb. then do the calculation.